One of the biggest reasons why we cannot be consistent at doing positive things, I'm talking about exercising, studying, meditating, and lots of other positive things, is simply because we don't know when are we going to be doing the thing. Okay? So, hi, my name is Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. Some few days ago, I just broke a 210 days straight 5:30 a.m. morning push-up streak. Yeah, it's 5:30 a.m. morning push-up streak. Basically, I set on a deadline because, as I've mentioned, why we cannot be consistent is simply because, we don't know when are we going to be doing that thing, which I'm going to be elaborating later on this video. And yeah, I just broke a 210 days straight 5:30 a.m. morning push-up streak, fully documented on my Instagram, and I want to be the best at helping people build consistency. That's why I show up every single day. And hey, this is June 30th, 2025, and this is going to be day 357 of consistently helping people build consistency. So I don't know about you, right? But most people, when they are trying to be consistent at doing something, they only say to themselves, "Oh yeah, I'm gonna be exercising after school." And then after school comes, they say to themselves, "Well, you know what? I need to relax a bit, have some fun a bit, right? I've just, have some really busy day on school. Let me just do it after dinner, okay?" And then after dinner, okay, we say we have another excuses. We say to ourselves, "Oh, you know what, I'm already exhausted today, and besides I got some another thing to do. Let me just do the exercise tomorrow." Basically, okay, since we don't have any clear time when are we going to be doing something, we do not have any clear deadline, we just keep on procrastinating, we just keep on postponing, we just keep on throwing the responsibility to do something into the future version of ourselves. We do not want to be involved of this cycle of just throwing the responsibility into next time. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna be doing it after this, after that. Okay. So one really clear way is to basically just set on a clear time when are you going to be doing something. But again, just saying, "Oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing it at 5 a.m. is not necessarily enough because hey, once 5 a.m. hits, okay, we can still say to ourselves, "Well, you know what? No, at 5 a.m. I still need to do something else. I'm just gonna be doing it at 6 a.m." And then, the same cycle happens again. It's just way more fancy because we got times right now, okay? 5 a.m., 6 a.m., but the same problem still happens. So instead of having more specific time when are we going to be doing something, we also need to set on an alarm because it's literally one of the best, most concrete way to solidify the time when are we going to be doing something. Okay, 5 a.m. every single day. When the alarm rings, well, voila, that's the time when are we going to be doing our thing. It's clear. But here's the thing. Only because we have an alarm, just because we have an alarm, doesn't necessarily means we are going to be this on-time person, this person who's always, doing his schedule at 5 a.m. every single day. No. Our brain, okay, it might get sneaky, it might get lazy. Some of the days, it might just say, "You know what, yeah, it's 5 a.m. right now, the alarm rings, but know what? I just do not want to do the exercise." Okay? So, you know, our brain is really, really sneaky some of the day. Just because we set on an alarm doesn't necessarily means we are going to obey that alarm. So what do we do now? Simple. Basically change the alarm tone into something that can motivate you. Okay? Well, I'm not saying just because, we change the alarm tone into some motivational song, some motivational music, some motivational speech that we like, we are going to show up every single day. No, but the probability is going to be higher. Okay, the probability for us to actually do the thing when the alarm rings is going to be higher because hey, our brain is going to be thinking, "Oh, you know what? Yeah, it's 5 a.m. now. The alarm rings, but the alarm it kind of reminds me of my reasons why I do my thing." Okay. "Oh, you know what? Yeah, like wow, this motivational music really motivates me. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna be doing my exercise. Okay, even if it's just 5 minutes, I'm still going to show up because I do not want to break the momentum. I want to obey the alarm, okay? Because the alarm it really motivates me. And when we just change it into one of our favorite motivational song, big chances we have some, emotional connection with this song, and we do not want to betray this song by not doing our exercise, things like that. So yeah, big chance we are still going to show up, even on the days when we are not feeling motivated, because we hear the motivational music, the motivational speech. It reminds us of our reasons we do the thing, because we do not want to betray our feeling, okay? Betray our emotions, our feelings of this particular motivation. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join our Discord, and also for today's Day Authenticity post, today is June 30th, 2025, and today's memes are posted a How's Your Year Going post last 24 hours, GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.